So today I'm taking you with me for a day to kind of show you like how much in average I spend for a day living in Bangkok here. I think it's one of the most common question, like, is Bangkok expensive? Is it still affordable? So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and see the average of spending here living in Bangkok as an expat. I'm currently in Mahatun Plaza, so this is like one of the places where they have a lot of options for food, and I'm really craving for like Thai food, so that's why I'm here. They have some options, like this one looks pretty good. Honestly, if you eat mostly local street food, you're gonna save a lot of money. I'm just gonna show you the average of how much it costs at a Thai vendor for one meal for one person. So they have a Pilates studio, salon, vendor, like food vendor, and then a cafe. And this one looks pretty good actually. Let's check this out. Thai breakfast. Oh yeah, has a good environment. Let's sit here. I just ordered this one. It costs 109. Let's see how big the portion is. Alright, here it is. This is the portion. I would say it was like okay. I did give a lot of fries, but not really with the meat itself. But this will do for now. Alright, so that full-on meal costs 124 baht. But now I'm gonna walk to Central Embassy because I want to check out this library. It's called Open House. It's like they have tons of books there, and I haven't been to the library for the longest time. Also, it looks like they have a co-working space over there, so I'm gonna get some work done. I do really want to try out and take the public bus. But the thing is, I don't know how do you purchase the ticket. Is it the same with the train ticket? Like, I'm not really sure. So what I've been doing is I've just been taking Grab or Bolt because it's very convenient. I think that's where we are going, Central Embassy. There we are. The malls here are very bougie. So it's not just books, but they also have like ceramics. Wow. And they have a dining section inside and a coffee shop as well. So we might go to the coffee shop. Yeah. This is amazing. And the entrance fee is free, so you can just like walk in. If you want to get a drink or something, obviously you have to pay for it, but this is a really cool spot. Hope you guys can hear me because I'm at a cafe and people are working here, so I'm gonna try to keep my volume down. But yeah, it's a really nice place. There's a lot of like cafe where you can also like work from, but you do have to pay separately for the Wi-Fi. At least from the cafe that I'm currently at, you need to pay an extra 300 baht for Wi-Fi. So I'm just using my phone Wi-Fi because it works. And yeah, I'm in the cafe here at the mall. Obviously, the price is a lot higher compared to if you're like eating at a food vendor outside. I got cafe latte and cookies, Thai tea sweet for like 240 baht. So yeah, 240 baht. When like the coffee and the cookies cost more than my lunch earlier. So yeah. Alright guys, I just did 3.5 hours of like work and my eyes need a break. But yeah, this place is very interesting. Like I was exploring some of the books. Unfortunately, most of them are in Thai, so I cannot read it, but I can imagine like for someone who read Thai, it's a very interesting place because like it's free. Like not all the books are like open, so there are some of the books that you need to purchase, but I still think it's a very nice place to like just like chill, read books. I really love the ambience. It's very quiet, but yeah, a very nice place to read. Yeah, I'm a little bit hungry now. I'm probably just gonna explore around and see what they have here, but I also stumbled across this like, what does it called? Diplomat screens, and I've heard about it before. It's like a very bougie cinema experience. Basically, like I think they have like a buffet and stuff inside, and you have a bed instead of a chair where you're watching movie. So yeah, it might be expensive, I don't know, but I think I definitely want to come back and check it out. Living in Bangkok, it can be like as expensive or as affordable as you want. If you come to the mall like this and like go to the movie hall or like eat at a restaurant, definitely it adds up. But there's also a lot of like food court around where it's more affordable. So yeah, I haven't been here for a month, so I'm not sure how much I spent like in a month. But I definitely gonna make a video, like a more detailed video about it, covering the accommodation, transportation, like gym membership and everything. So yeah, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. I have Easy Body here. So this is one of my favorite restaurant in Bangkok. So I guess we're gonna eat here. They have one of the best kaprao. So they have more of like a fusion type of kaprao. Like you can order it with the sticky rice. Last time I tried this one, which was really good, and always get it with the corn, the set menu, because the corn was like surprisingly really good. The weather here just doesn't look promising. It's been like raining and it was like super sunny this afternoon. But yeah, it's a rainy season in Thailand right now. I even heard like they had like a flood, or like it rains really hard for the past couple days in Phuket, and yeah, it looked pretty bad. Alright, so here's what I got, the original pad kaprao. I ordered the set, so it come with the soup and the side, and I ordered an extra grilled salmon, and they also recommend this like pork neck, so I'm gonna try it as well. Right? Oh my god, so excited for this tea. Super good. Seriously, the mix of like the meat and then the egg and the rice, oh, it's perfection. Alright. That was one very satisfying dinner. I just had to leave because people keep asking if I'm filming mukbang when it's just like my normal portion. Everything comes around 1,337 baht, but that's also because I'm getting like some takeaway from my boyfriend, because that's one of my favorite places in Bangkok. So if you're in Bangkok, check out that restaurant. Anyway, I think I need to order a Grab car because it's raining. So instead of the bike or like walking home, I need to take a car. Alright, you guys, finally made it. Finally got the car. when it's raining, it's harder to grab to get a grab. But yeah, this is something that you have to consider into your budget if you're traveling anywhere. Like the weather can be something that's unpredictable, so make sure that you have a stretch budget so you don't have to stress about things like this. I'm gonna wait until I reach home so we can count the total of how much I spent today. Alright, I'm home and surprisingly exhausted. So for transportation, I spent a total of 240 baht because I did have to take a car on the way back. For food, I spent a total of 1,701 baht. That's why I want to show you different type of like dining here. Like my first meal of the day, it only cost like 124 baht. But if you go to the mall, obviously you're gonna spend more. The coffee that I ordered, I spent like 240 for coffee and just like a small cookies. And for dinner, obviously it was more, but also like a huge meal. And I also got some takeaway for my boyfriend, so technically it's for 2 person. So in total 1,941 baht. Obviously I don't always spend the exact amount every single day. Some days I just cook at home and maybe spend like less than 500 baht per day, so it really varies. But I'm also curious to see how much I'm spending by the end of the month. There will be a video about the cost of living in Bangkok, but I hope this video kind of sheds some light for you guys who are curious about how much does it cost for living in Bangkok. I also just want to say that I've been enjoying it so far. Like Thai people are one of the nicest. Like even the ride back home, like I had a chance to have this conversation with the driver and they're very welcoming. Everyone is really nice. So yeah, beside of the cost of living, I think people and the culture makes a huge difference when you're staying at. So yeah, that's my experience so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see next on this channel. I'm gonna try to film more videos, and yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.